Good morning. Welcome to another Trader View. It's been an interesting day yesterday. We've finally broken through that 30K support level. But before I talk about that, I just wanted to show you a quick comparison of how prices developed in the previous cycle, so from 2014 to 2018, and how that kind of very similar price action is actually developing right now on both Bitcoin and the Ethereum price graphs. So just very briefly looking at Bitcoin first, we're looking here from 2014 all the way through to 2018. And what you can see is that on the run up around the July area, when you look at here, we're on the 19th, 17th of July, 2017. Today we've got the 21st of July. You had that initial run up from the previous all-time high. It was around 3 times higher than the previous all-time high. We then corrected to a level which is roughly about 50% higher than the previous all-time high. And then we really had another rally towards the end of the year. And if we look at that and compare it to today, we've got a very, very similar setup. Previous all-time high at around 20, topped out at 60, 65, which again is 3 times higher than that previous all-time high. We're now at a level where the price that we're at is, again, 50% higher than the previous all-time high. And that price consolidation that we're seeing now, if history repeats itself, it doesn't repeat itself, but it does sometimes rhyme, we could be in for a big rally towards the end of the year. Before I move on to Ethereum, I'll just show you the support areas. That 30 to 32K has been broken. We're going down. If we drop further, I'm still looking at 27K areas just for the technical area, as I mentioned yesterday, and then the 23K support area where we saw previous consolidation. Nothing else has changed there. I didn't really see anything else that out of the ordinary that caught my eye. So on Ethereum, how's it looking? It looks like that support level at 1750 is still holding for now. But again, looking at the historical price action, it's only happened once before. Ethereum is a bit newer, but we had this run up in July before correcting significantly, looking to revert towards that 50-week moving average. And this price action is very similar to what we've been seeing over the last few months play out. If it plays out again, look at the dates here. We're looking at the 17th of July, 19th of July, all forming that bottom of the consolidation phase before we have a leg up and a pretty aggressive leg up for the remaining 6 months of the year. So whilst it makes sense to have some risk levels to the downside, if you are looking to go long, looking at the 1550 area of support, 1400 area of support, where that 50-week moving average is coming in. For me, these are good buying opportunities. For others looking to de-risk, there might be good times to sell if you think that prices are going to carry on going down. But right now, we're not seeing anything out of the ordinary. And should we keep going the way that we have in the past, the next 6 months are really set to explode. That's it. Have a good day.